Okay, so now we are logged into our CentOS server, and we're gonna start the installation of NTP. First thing we want to do is check the current status of it. So systemctl status NTPD, and it's, as you can see, it's not found. So that means it's not installed in the system. Okay, installing it is pretty simple. We'll do a yum -y install NTP. Okay, it's already complete. Let me clear this. CentOS 7 comes with a package called cronid, and we don't want that to interrupt our NTP installation, so we want to disable that. So systemctl stop cronid.service. Okay, that is stopped, and we want to disable the service as well. Systemctl disable cronid.service. Okay, so the link has been removed. Now we're going to go to the configuration file of NTP, which is vim. We're going to use vim editor, vim etc ntp.conf, and we're going to put the servers that we need in there. So I'm going to put the servers that are available on the internet. Right now I am not using any internal server. So centos.pool.ntp.org, and use a switch called iburst, and then we'll put server number, the second server, but it's numbered as 1, centos.pool.ntp.org. Okay, I'm going to escape, and I'll do a YYP to copy it, and then just change this to 2. Then I'll do the same thing again, copy this, and we're going to go one more and replace this with a 3. This is our file, the configuration file that's going to be read. Okay, now we're going to enable and start NTP. The way you do it is systemctl start NTPD, started, systemctl enable NTPD, so that way it will sustain even after reboot. And we want to allow NTP in the firewall as well, so firewall -cmd -add -service equals NTP -permanent. Oh, I'm missing one D, that's why. Okay, that was successful. Now, since we made a change, we're going to reload the firewall. So firewall cmd -reload, and then you can verify the status of it. Sys And as you can see, it is active and running.